Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna do a quick review of a new brand that I got in the mail, and also I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys. So today I'm gonna show you some products that I got, and this is from Deck of Scarlet. So this is the little box that I got, and here is many cool stuff here. So this is the card from the team, and whoa, I love the palettes. I was looking everything and it's so beautiful. I'm crazy to show you guys. So Deck of Scarlet is a service that every 2 months you get an amazing full-size palette like this. This is the new one from Roxette Ariza. I love this girl so much. She's amazing. So I'm gonna show you how the palettes look like. So this is the palette, and here we have a lip liner and a eyeliner. And I'm gonna show you how the palette looks like inside. So this is the little palette, and I really like the packaging. I think it's so cool. So here in this side we have 2 shades of lipsticks, and here we have the eyeshadows and blush. And also we have a little mirror right here. So this is the palette. I really like the color range. So here we have the eyeshadows, blush and highlighter, and here in this side 2 shades of lipsticks. I really love this one, and I think the idea is so cool because you have the right eyeshadows to create a makeup look. You don't have to so you don't have to buy a palette full of eyeshadows and you don't know what to do with them. So this one is really cool because you can create a daytime makeup look and a nighttime makeup look as well. You have the right eyeshadows to create a makeup look. So this is the idea of Deck of Scarlet, and I really enjoy this. So the next palettes are from King Tai. I also love her so much, and I'm gonna show you how the palette looks like. As you can see, this one don't have the lip liner and the eyeliner. We have here a beautiful lip gloss to wear with the eyeshadows of this palette. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. And now here we have the same style of the first palette. We have this side right here with 2 colors of lipsticks. And right here we have a mirror and also these amazing colors. I love this palette so much. The colors, look at this. The shades are so beautiful, and I really like this color range. And also we have this shade of lip gloss, which is so beautiful. So let me see how it looks because I never used it before. So a little swatch. Look how amazing it is. I like because it have a lot of shimmer and shine. It's so cute. And the next palettes that I have here are from, let me see. Ooh, this one is so cool. This is from Amy Rose Walker. Look at this. So here is the little card, and here we have a little protection in the box, and this is how it looks like. So here we have the lip liner and eyeliner and the palette. So here we have just the palette, not opening in this side like the other ones, but whoa, this palette is amazing. We have here a bigger mirror, and look this color range. Look this lipstick. Oh my god, this color is so boom! I'm here. I love this one, especially these 2 shades right here is so beautiful. I like it so much. So this is the palettes that I have, and they have many others to choose. I love this palette so much. The color range that these girls picked are amazing. Or also, if you don't want to have this palette, you can get the magnetic palette with the colors of your choice, which I'm gonna show you here. So the palette comes like this, and look how beautiful it is. And here we have a big mirror in this side, and look these amazing colors from this brand. I absolutely love it so much, and I'm crazy to use this one and also this one. They are so stunning, and I don't know what I'm gonna play with today. So I also have this one that I was picking from here, and I couldn't put in my palette, but that's okay because it comes with this little protection. So tell me what you think. I really love this palette, and I think the eyeshadows are so good. I'm gonna do a little swatch just to show you. So can you see that? They are so pigmented and amazing. So today I'm gonna use the palette Dream by Kim Tai. I love the color range. I think it's so beautiful and matches really well with my taste. I love this palette so much, and the highlighter are so stunning. And look at this color, this lipstick that I'm crazy to go today. So before I start off this look, I'm gonna apply a little bit of primer, and this is Paint Pot by MAC in the shade Soft Ochre. I'm gonna apply it with a concealer brush. So as my transition shade, I'm gonna use the color Myth with a big fluffy brush. Oh, this is really pigmented. Look at this. I just applied it in the eyelid. I love the shadows like this. I'm gonna apply just a little more, and remember to diffuse the edges really well. I like this shade so much. As you can see, it looks a little bit darker in the eyes than here in the pen. But once you blend it, it is amazing. So I'm gonna switch the brush, and I'm gonna apply the same color in the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Crown, which is this amazing color. Whoa. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, so I'm gonna go carefully. First, I'm gonna apply the product here in the outer corner of my eyes. And next I'm gonna just blend the edges. This color is so beautiful, can you see that? I'm gonna switch the brush again and apply the same shade in the lower lash line. Whoa, I love this color. So let me tell you guys, this brand is paraben free, cruelty free, and also they are made in USA. So good. Look at this color. I'm so excited. I love this one. I think it's so beautiful. So now I'm gonna do the same here in this side, and next I'm gonna just use this color or this one in the eyelid and in the tear duct area. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so let's see. This color are perfect for summer. Look at this. So now I decided that I'm gonna use this color in this little section right here beside of this amazing burgundy kind of magenta color, and in the tear duct area I'm gonna use the highlighter, and I'm gonna use the highlighter in my face as well, and I think it will match really well with the whole look. So I'm gonna start with this one now, and this is the shade Enhanced. Whoa, this is so pigmented. Look at this. And I'm not even using any Fix Plus in my brush, just the eyeshadow. I like this so much. So can you see that? These eyeshadow are different in texture. This is so much buttery, and I like it so much because it turns very pigmented in the eyelid. Look at this. I just have the primer that I applied previously. Watch. And now with the same brush, I'm gonna use a little bit of the highlighter to highlight the tear duct area. This highlighter is amazing. The texture is so soft, but it's very pigmented. I just love it so much. Okay, so I just applied some fake lashes, and look at these eyes. Oh my god. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments. I love this color so much. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush from this palette, and this is the color Tiara, and next I'm gonna apply the highlighter, and I applied the highlighter in my eyes, but I forgot to tell you the name of it, and this is Fairy Dust. So pigmented. Whoa. What I'm gonna do now, remove the excess, and I'm gonna apply in the apples of my cheeks. Be careful with this blush, Melissa. We don't have to match our cheeks with the background. Alright, so let's blend it first. Oh my god. And next I'm gonna just use the same beauty blender that I was using before to soften a little bit this blush. That was crazy. And now I'm gonna apply the highlighter in the highest points of my face. Oh my god, this is blinding! Can you see that? Guys, this is stunning! Of course, can build as I did here. I started applying a little bit of product, and now I'm gonna apply some more to be like the other side. These products are so pigmented. So now I'm gonna remove the excess of lip balm and shimmer in my lips, and next I'm gonna apply the lipstick. So now I'm gonna apply the lipstick, and here we have the color Kiss and the color Mating, and I'm so confused. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I love them both, and I'm gonna apply this lipstick using a lip brush, but I think I'm gonna apply both of them. Yeah. This color is so beautiful, and the lipstick is more creamy and very moisturizing, but yet a little matte, as you can see. I like this color so much. This is the shade Kiss. Oh my god, look at this color. This is so beautiful and so soft. I love it so much, and I think this color is perfect for a daytime or for summertime. It's so cool, and the formula of the lipstick is amazing. I love it. I love the texture and how it feels in the lips. It's so good. So now I'm gonna apply with the same brush a little bit of this color in the center of my lips. And this is how it looks. I really love this palette. I really love the products. They are amazing. I love the pigmentation, how it feels in the skin, in the eyes, in the lips, and I really recommend for you to try this out. I'm gonna leave the links here in the description box, and this video is not sponsored, but as I received a lot of things, I think it's really cool to show you new things, and I hope that you like it much as I did. These colors, I'm living for it. I love it so much. I think it's so cool, especially for the summer. So I really recommend the Dream palette, and I love the other ones as well. And if you don't want to have any of this palette, you can get the individual eyeshadows, and yes, they are amazing as well. So I can't wait to show you more using this brand again in a new tutorial. So tell me in the comments what you want to see next here in my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!